Today we're going to be installing a center armrest cover on the C6 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott, and today we are going to be installing a center armrest cover on the C6 Corvette. My friends over at custominterior.com sent us this cover to be able to put on this Corvette. I'm going to show you just how simple it is to put on, okay? So, as you can see here, it's a really nice leather cover, has the red stitching on it, and it's actually very simple. There's one strap here that will hold it down right over here, and then it just kind of tucks all the way around. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and jump into this video. It's going to be probably one of the shortest videos you've ever watched me do. We're just going to go ahead, we don't have to take the cover loose or anything, we're just going to open it up. We're going to take this, we're going to slide this strap right up and over it. Okay, so it's going to go over the console. Okay, just like that. And we're going to get it where it's pretty well tucked in right there. Okay, and then we're just going to kind of stretch it out. Just like so. And you're just going to feed it around the edges. Okay, just like that. And once you get it around, you can just feed it all the way around the other side. I think the camera's picking this up. Just like that, all the way around. And there we go.
Memorial Day savings explode at Maida's Elk Grove Chevy. Save $12,500 off MSRP on every new 2025 Silverado Turbo Max in stock.
And Maida Chevy has similar savings on every new Silverado, one of the largest selections of new Silverado in the Sacramento area.
$12,500 off new Silverado Turbo Max exclusively at the Maida Chevy Silverado Supercenter. Now that's big, huge. See them all at MaidaChevy.com. Together, let's drive.
And just kind of tuck it around the edges. And then on this edge right here, you're going to take it, just kind of take your fingers and tuck it around this corner. There's a little lip there on the inside. You're just going to pull around it and it will tuck it in. Okay? And so just walk it around. Okay. There's a little trim that goes around it. You just want to make sure that that tucks all the way around, because it will want to roll up on you. Okay, so you just want to make sure that the edging is completely flat and it goes around the edge. And you'll know it, you'll feel it, because it'll just start to, all the wrinkles will go away. And it'll just feel like a glove. So like I was telling you guys, super simple installation, very reasonable, much cheaper than buying a new armrest cover. Now, this customer of mine here, he doesn't have a heavy arm, but a lot of people, they rest on this really bad, and what they end up doing is they put a lot of weight on this center armrest cover, and so it dents it. And so a lot of times you'll get one of these cars that's used and someone will have really been on this armrest. And this will avoid you having to go try to hunt one of these down. They're not easy to find anymore, and if you do find one, they're very expensive. So by doing this, it gets rid of hides all that problem and looks awesome. Okay, so these are also made to match the seat covers that Custom Interiors has. So if the seats in this car, they're in great shape. But a lot of times, again, you're talking about a 2007, 2008, that era car, the seats are not always in this great shape. So, something for something else for you to take a look at when you go on their website. And I'm going to put all of their information right here, but this way you be sure and you can check out the center console armrest cover here, as well as the seat covers that match these. And they have a whole bunch of other colors that you can choose from. Okay, I've installed these seat covers on the C6, actually the C5, C6, and C7, and even a C8. And I don't think you're going to find anything better. I really don't. The way these are engineered, they're great. They hold up really, really well. I had a set of C7 seat covers in my C7, obviously, that was the Kalahari color. And you know, that Kalahari is very hard to keep clean and keep it from looking worn. And so I put in a set of seat covers from Custom Interior. They were 4 years old when I got rid of my car, and they looked brand new. So that's just something to be said about the quality of the stuff that they're using here. So anyway, that's enough of that. I just wanted to show you all about this. If you guys need to get a set of these for yourself, be sure and reach out to custominterior.com. I'm going to put that information right here on the screen. Or if you would like, I am an authorized distributor for them. You can also reach out to me and I can get you a 5% discount. So if either way, I'll put my information right here on the screen, and we'll be happy to take care of you. Okay, so guys, thanks again for watching. If you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell, and that way you'll be alerted of all of our next uploads that we do. And guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
I think the girls with their nails done now.